don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Chris Dudula Lefrotman.
Yazi Sithibo.
Yeah.
Into enzeke namhlanje.
Yeah.
Mhlazo kwi-Chiefs.
Sure.
Idliwa yi-team eku-position 10.
Yes.
Chiefs league yayo iqale kamnandi.
Yeah, iloku iwini.
Ithembisa mfethu. Yazi lapho iqala kanjani? Qala njengoba ushela umfazi.
Yeah.
Mbona umfazi uthi lo mfazi wami uyangigqoma.
Yeah.
Ekugcineni umfazi akale. Athi cha.
Athi ngimnandi.
Athi ngiright ngawe bhuta ngikufuna. Kufanele into eyenziwa yi-Chiefs.
After all that hope.
Laba bafana be-Chiefs mfethu abayideserve lento abayenzayo lapha.
Ne?
Angazi ukuthi yini lento abayenzayo. Yazi mfethu, yabona mina ngokukhula kwami.
Sure.
Ngibukela ama-video abo shoes.
Mushwewu.
Abo Dr. Khumalo.
Yeah.
Mfethu la bengibona ukuthi Chiefs yadlala.
Quality.
And idlala i-football.
Yeah.
Le engiyifunayo.
Yeah.
Kodwa laba bafana labethu laba mfethu. It's just a social media. Into abagcwele kuyo.
Not as Silva unethi.
Abekho serious nje yabo. Angeke ngiqambela amanga mfethu. Yazi kubhlungu kanjani mfethu ukusuka eSpanini uhambe uyobukela abantu.
Sure.
Ukhipha inyuku yakho.
Kunabantu
abahamba for free.
Yeah.
Abayenzela izinto.
Yeah.
Wena uhambe uye la.
Yeah.
Ufike ube disappointed. Ilento eyenzakalayo noku Chiefs. Buka manje sahlekwa ngabantu.
Amabhakani yanga.
Qale kamnandi sabane 2 win.
Yeah.
Pirates yabane 2 lose.
Sure.
Sithi kuhamba kahle.
Yeah.
Ukuphi manje? Sithi sasuka siye Durban sijike endleleni. Sithibo ungahleka azayihlekisi lento Sithibo. Ayihlekisi lento Sithibo. Ndikiza mebhlungu. Ndikiza mebhlungu yazi Sithibo. Ukuthi namhlanje ngeke ngize ngikhale Sithibo.
Yeah.
Kodwa nizobatshela yona.
Yeah.
These boys abayideserve ibheje Chiefs.
Awubani kakhulu.
Bonke labafana bayideserve. Yazi mfethu singablame abo coach.
Yeah.
Yabona abo coach.
Yeah.
Bawuyenza umsebenzi wabo ne.
Sure. Leziya.
Bawuyenza umsebenzi ongathi leziya Sithibo. Ithi labafana bawu2. Ngoba nami ngizowabiza ubafana. Angeke ngizothi abo coach. Yangithola. Ngoba each and every time. Uma lokuba abamile lapha uCedric uzombona alibela khuluma ungazi ukuthi ukhuluma nobani. Ukhuluma nespoke esimile phambi kwakho ukhuluma awazi. Kodwa ubona umuntu yakhuluma endlebe. Khona into emtshelayo ukuthi no man there is something that is telling me. Kodwa angazi ukuthi lento message iqhamuka. You understand Sithibo? Iyo lento esimoshelayo. Sithibo labo coach bayithumele bahambe. Yezwana?
Sure.
Ngicela ucoach wami.
Yeah.
Mafuna ukubona iChiefs wina.
Yes.
Athatha uDa Silva Mbeki ngaphandle kancane.
Yes.
Da Silva into ayidlalayo udlala njengabo Jackie China. Ngathi siukarate kid.
Yeah.
And asikho karate kid lapha mfethu.
Yeah.
Sidlala idisi.
Akuyiwa.
Ufuna ukuwina.
You understand you can't do any.
Sithibo last message yami engizokutshela yona Sithibo. One.
Yeah.
Yabona iPirates. Hayi ukuthi ngiyayizona kanjani.
Sure.
Pirates won't take a league. Yes.
They won't.
They won't take a league.
Ngeke.
Yazi Sithibo. Ngiyakutshela namanje.
Sure.
Bazowakhumbula lamagama. Sithi udliwa eRichards Bay.
Yeah.
Ngeke bayithatha ileague.
Never.
Ileague yahamba yePitori.
Sure.
Ngizophela ku number 2 mina.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyophela ku number 2. Ukuthi angipheli number ngiyophela ku number 2.
Yeah. Ngiyakubamba.
Yeah.
Sure. Sithibo awuyihlabahlabe. Kabi yami mfethu. Umuntu omdala.
Mina ngeke ngilonge ngikhuluma okuningi mfethu.
Yebo.
Ngidisappointed.
Big time.
Asinabo coach ngizoyiphinda lento namhlanje. Asinabo abo coach. Angeke ukuthi ubone ukuthi ilento usakalimela uMiguel.
Yeah.
Wawungampheri put uNdlovu.
Yes, Rodman.
Akadlale i-4-3-4-3 once.
Yeah.
Sibone ukuthi senze njani.
Wongafuna ucross da.
Cha lalela phuthi. Ucross ubuya kunjari mfethu. Angeke sizomfaka mekuceda bese ke alenti bese siyazi thina isiplay esama supporters.
Yeah.
Sizowa blame labafana lapha.
Yeah.
Yabona into engifuna ukuemphasize namhlanje.
Sure Rodman.
Kakhulu.
Sure Rodman.
Cela bajimise labafana.
Bajime mo.
Cela bajimise labafana.
Abafana laba ngathi
Abafana
bajime.
ngicela bajime mo and ibuhlungu lento ukuthi kumanje ngizobaleka kusasa ngithi ngiyemsebenzini kusasa kusasa ngiyohlokela esayidini la ngithi ngido bayangifuna after kule game lento engidliwe kuyona le disgrace abayenzile lapha eLand FNP mengicasha ngiziba ama calls abantu
ndoda
iweekend yonke bheka manje kusasa ngizokwenza njani
uzocasha futhi
mfethu yabona from today ngizitshelile ukuthi stadium no more
hayi ntwana hayi
abona today abona i-confirmation yami
hayi
ebengidinga ukuthi today ama coaches wethu mokuthi ababaxoshi labantu
sure
no more stadium angifuni ukuqamba manga hayi ukuthi noma kunalento engifuna ukuyiboycott noma kwenziweni cha mina myself bro yabona stadium ngeke umbone asenza so mina mfethu ngikhathele
sibona bozovuma wena uthi umfazi akaloku edliwa nje njalo umfazi okuyadliwa nje bese uniyabekezela wena ngiyatshela mfowethu
silindele umakoti ekhaya lo makoti asimboni sithi uloku yazi kubhlungu kanjani uthi uyinsizwa uloku utshela umama wakho uthi ayimani khona umakoti uyesu umakoti uyesu njalo akafiki
khona labamhlaba khona wena ulibule uyabekezela wena uyabekezela
hayi kamna
nizobe nizeke ngabekezeli ngabekezeli
yazi impilo abasiphilisa yona namhlanje abasiphilisa manga mase kumele lokusicasha phela siyayifihla phela manje sekumele siyifihle kusasa kumele sambe songa amabonda kusasa hayi cha ayikho esipanini sibuhlungu kanjani lento abasenza yona ibuhlungu thina ngaso sikhathi yithi sinomfutho esifenze yithi siya emalente mfethu Sithibo baba mina ngene e-stadium nginomfutho manje bangehlisa mina ngifuna ukuqamba manga yazini ngicela i-management ne this is the ilento message engisa ku management siyacela please cela nisicabangele
phula ikhamera phela
nisicabangele management bafethu please siyacela nisicabangeni yabo labo bhuti laba abayi2 laba ukhazi no Ben Yusuf siyabonga
sithi amen
siyabonga siyacela please siyabonga
amen uma sithi amen shothi konke kwenzekile bayahamba
Yazi Sithibo ibuhlungu le ndaba lena. Honestly speaking Sithibo understand ukuthi iChiefs kumele isitshele iqiniso kahle ukuthi ubani ubuya kuTemu. It's either yilabo abafana abayi2 asebabiza ama coach bafike njengama interpreters lapha or ama players wethu laba buya kuTemu. One between the two ubuya kuTemu, I'm telling you. iChiefs kumele isichazela straight.
Who is
because into le bayenza angazi iChiefs it's in another level. I-level le kuyo ne we call it donation level.
Donation?
Yeah, donation level is Sithibo.
Which level is that?
I understand nami Sithibo because mamela Sithibo ne 4 games ne esidlalile 4 lose 8 goals conceded. Thina we scored only 2 goals Sithibo. Namhlanje sidlala neRichards Bay sibuya kudlala noPirates Sithibo. La abafana kumele bazinikela Sithibo basibonisa ukuthi abafuthi senze izinto lapha ne. Sithibo, guess what? 0 goals on target. Sithibo, you know what? You know like I'm attempt 2 attempts. You know what does attempt mean Sithibo? Means Sithibo like the whole 90 minutes it says Sithibo, and then the next thing you expect us to love the badge. Ebuhlungu le ndaba lena. Labafana angazi ukuthi yibo abadlalayo or is someone else abadlalelayo or kanjani. But the worst part ukuthi labafana mabaluza kanje bayenza kanje when they go home Sithibo month end titi iyangena Sithibo 100 and something thousand. Mina Sithibo ngale mali encane engiholayo Sithibo le 5000 mele ngilokhu ngizula phasi nephezulu Sithibo isupportana nabo Sithibo You get what I'm trying to say? It hurt, Steve. Like, honestly speaking, you see, it's one thing. You see, Peggy Pirates, when Pirates lose the game, ne? Upega, the way badlala ngakhona, you will see ukuthi la majita laba serious. By losing the game, because at the end of the day, one team has to win or it draw. Ne? Steve, let me tell you something. The activity, grounding does not win the game. But protecting the ball, Steve, and being productive, that's what wins the game.
Yes,
Steve.
yeah.
Honestly speaking, ngiyamuzwa uba for uthi kumele bajima labantu laba.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, Steve, like ukujimisa abantu physically fit but mentally weak, Steve, it won't win you the game. Honestly speaking, it doesn't need umuntu lozofika acoacha his skill, but you need to coach the mind. What do you do when you have the ball on you, Steve? Like we fail when we have the ball. We fail when we have to mark the ball.
Image.
I think I don't understand. It's good to failing
everywhere.
Failing everywhere. Sibo, I'm a fail. Second fail.
Right ngale.
Yo.
Labasitshela ukuthi badlalela iPremier.
Lento mana
Keeper le ndaba le.
Sibo. Bangathi badlalela iPremier yabo laba.
Yes.
Hadi bafika. Ngicela siyivalile. Mani keeper.
Richards Bay.
Bantwana.
Mara mngalambilela ngiyayibona yonke. Ngiyayibona yonke. Richards Bay 0 attempt. In fact, a shot on target. Richards Bay. Itheme ku number 10.
Yo.